Benfotiamine is not your average vitamin. While many people are familiar with common vitamins like vitamin C or D, benfotiamine remains relatively unknown, despite its remarkable benefits for specific health conditions, especially diabetes and nerve health. Derived from thiamine, vitamin B1, benfotiamine stands out because of its unique properties and targeted effects on metabolic health and nerve function. If you're dealing with diabetes or nerve-related issues, it's time to learn about benfotiamine and how it could help improve your overall well-being. What is benfotiamine? Benfotiamine is a fat-soluble derivative of thiamine, a water-soluble B vitamin. The fat-soluble nature of benfotiamine gives it a distinct advantage over thiamine because it is more easily absorbed by the body and has a longer-lasting effect. This makes benfotiamine a highly effective option for supporting cellular health and reducing the oxidative stress and damage that often accompanies chronic conditions like diabetes. How benfotiamine benefits diabetes? Diabetes is a condition characterized by elevated blood sugar levels, and over time, this can cause significant damage to nerves, blood vessels, and organs. One of the most serious complications of diabetes is diabetic neuropathy, a painful nerve condition that affects up to 50% of people with diabetes. Benfotiamine offers protection against this kind of damage by addressing the root causes of diabetic complications. 1. Reduces advanced glycation end products. AGEs. One of the major problems in diabetes is the accumulation of advanced glycation end products, AGEs, which are harmful compounds formed when proteins or fats combine with sugar in the bloodstream. AGEs contribute to oxidative stress and inflammation, which accelerate the damage to nerves and blood vessels in people with diabetes. Benfotiamine has been shown to reduce AGE formation, helping to prevent the damage associated with high blood sugar. 2. Protects against diabetic complications. By supporting the proper metabolism of glucose and reducing AGEs, benfotiamine helps protect the body from diabetic complications like retinopathy, damage to the eyes, nephropathy, damage to the kidneys, and cardiovascular issues. Research has demonstrated that benfotiamine can improve endothelial function, which is vital for healthy blood flow, making it a crucial nutrient for people with diabetes. 3. Supports glucose metabolism. Benfotiamine enhances the activity of enzymes involved in the metabolism of glucose. This reduces the buildup of harmful metabolic byproducts that are responsible for much of the cellular damage seen in diabetes. Essentially, benfotiamine helps the body handle sugar more effectively, reducing the toxic effects of high blood sugar. How benfotiamine benefits nerve health. Nerve damage, also known as neuropathy, can result from diabetes, injuries, or other conditions. The pain, tingling, numbness, and weakness associated with neuropathy can greatly reduce a person's quality of life. This is where benfotiamine can play a crucial role. 1. Protects nerves from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is a major contributor to nerve damage. Benfotiamine's antioxidant properties help protect nerve cells from the damaging effects of free radicals. By reducing oxidative stress, benfotiamine can help prevent further deterioration of the nerves and potentially restore their function. 2. Reduces symptoms of diabetic neuropathy. For people with diabetic neuropathy, benfotiamine can offer relief from the painful and debilitating symptoms. Studies have shown that benfotiamine supplementation can significantly reduce the intensity of neuropathic pain, improving the quality of life for those who suffer from this condition. Its ability to protect nerves from glucose-induced damage makes it a promising option for managing nerve pain.